I just bought my first crash damaged car from Copart, and today we're going to get it back on the road. I've never actually changed a wheel before, have you? We don't know what we're doing. Right, today I got my mate Alex here with me. My mate Alex, that's a good.
That's me.
Good channel name, I think.
My mate Alex?
Yeah.
What, I just talk to people about their problems. I'm a good friend to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like
an
that.
agony uncle.
Pretty much, yeah. I like that. Yeah, he's going to help me out today, get this VW up back on the road.
Yeah.
What do you think, mate?
No, this is her, yeah. Why this particular up? Of all the destroyed cars there are on the UK roads, why this one?
So it's twofold. So the first one really was damage didn't look too bad.
Yeah.
Mostly just the door. So hopefully, just swap the door out, all good. Obviously, never done this kind of thing before.
No.
So
we don't want to start too difficult.
Play it safe. And then the second reason really was my sister was looking for a new car.
Okay.
She's got an old 2005 Mini Cooper.
Yep.
That just keeps breaking down. Costs a fortune to run and just not really what she wants. Yeah.
So we're hoping this is going to be a perfect little run around.
Yeah, hopefully. But yeah, we've got to get the door out.
Yeah.
New wheels on today. We'll get that little drive. See how we
Crack
go.
on.
Yeah, this is my sister's old 2005 Mini. I think what, R52, something like that, R53. The back box literally self-deleted it.
Because I mean, for 20 years old, it doesn't look that bad.
20 years old, it's not bad. It's seen better days. It could do with a bit of a restore. Don't really know what to do with it, really, to be honest. We could restore it on the channel.
Yeah.
Or we could strip all the way out of it and turn it into a little rally car.
Now I think you're talking. I think that's
yeah.
The go.
I don't know if this will even start. Let's see. I think the battery's probably dead. Yeah. Let's get a jumper pack, quick. Give it a go.
Wow. Oh my God.
Pretty good, really.
I wasn't aware that your sister was a 19-year-old boy racer.
Yes, there is that about it. But yeah,
Sounds good.
it does. She was too embarrassed to drive this thing.
I mean, I get that, but it sounds good.
But this guy.
Oh God, okay.
So yeah, so let us know in the comments what you want us to do with the Mini. We could, restore it back to its glory, former glory, or yeah, maybe we could strip it down, turn it into a little rally car, go for a race. I don't know. Let us know what you think. Right, let's get this door off, shall we?
Yeah.
If you start by peeling off all the film stuff, I'll go grab the new door. Oh, I think it matches.
I think it does.
Hopefully, we'll have to get it on and see. So, what we need to do. So the plan was to take off the top and bottom bolts, unclip the wiring harness, take the door strap off. But when we looked at how the door strap is put on, it uses a spline bit, which we didn't have. So we're going to have to pop to the shops after this. So we thought, in a field, rapidly running out of daylight here, let's do something. So we thought we'd start on the wheels. Right guys, how about these wheels then? So people in the comments said, yeah, I should just replace them with steel wheels. But you know what? I thought, what's the point really? We might as well go out with a bang. So I got some replacement alloy wheels for this. These are just stock VW ones. Nothing too bad. Picked them up on eBay, and Alex brought them down for me on the way down today. So let's get these on and see what it looks like. I've never actually changed a wheel before, have you?
Are you serious?
Never.
No.
Yeah.
You're actually kidding?
Not
You've
kidding at all.
never changed the wheel?
Never changed a wheel before, so...
That's insane.
Yeah, so you're going to show me how it's done?
Sure. Is that? You've never changed the wheel?
No.
Wow.
Oh, that was nice. Hey, Oti, go fetch. Yeah. This is the one slight issue with working in a field. The jack does sink into the mud. That's not good, right?
Dan, would you like to just share what we've just found?
I don't know. I think where the car has been shunted, something is now not aligned correctly, I think this disc is.
Don't know if you can hear that on the.
It's not supposed to be like that, is it? Like it moves freely here, and then gets stuck there.
May just be that the brakes are stuck on because it's been sitting.
No, I
don't think so, but
there's actually like a dink here. Something's not. Something doesn't feel right there, does it?
No.
Well, let's get it on
and see.
And then we'll try the other side. See if that's just normal, but I don't think it's normal.
I don't think it's.
Shit.
That's not ideal.
Ah, dear. So we spent a long time trying to get this alloy on this, we think, bent wheel hub, and we really tried to get this on as much as we could. So this could be a bit of a problem. Yeah, something very, very bent. Bit of a problem, guys. Something is very, very, very bent. So we're going to take this off, put the old wheel back on, just in case we damage this alloy. And we're going to go and stick one on the back right,
which we're confident is not
hopefully
damage.
no damage there. Make sure that the alloys actually fit the car. So we might have to do a bit of research on how you replace all that thing. In theory.
Comment if you know what that's called.
It's getting dark and now we can't get the wheel off the car. You left the bolt in there?
No.
What did we do, Alex?
We just tightened it a bit, didn't we? No, we've already damaged the alloys.
It's wonky. We don't know what we're doing. Right, guys.
Not the best day.
Not the best day, really. We've had a few problems.
Yeah.
As you can see, door hasn't been changed
That's
yet.
not a new door. I don't know if you can tell.
We're missing a spline piece. We need to pop to Halfords after this.
So we failed at that.
But the door seems now like the easier.
Yes, we were determined to not let that ruin the day for us.
Yes, so we attempted to go change the wheels. We started at the front, which got the old wheel off, and then we gave the disc a nice spin, and well, it didn't spin very nicely.
Didn't move freely.
No, it didn't.
It was more sort of
made a nice sound.
Yes.
And after looking at it, it all looks a little bit bent and out of shape.
Yes. But we put the wheel on anyway.
And
then it was very obvious.
It was very bad. So we then took that back off, didn't want to damage those alloys. And then we thought, hang on, let's just double check. Let's just try the back where we know there's no damage, just to make sure the alloys do fit. And it does seem to absolutely fine, no problems. And yeah, we'll come back in the morning as, joys of working in the field is daylight is needed.
Yes.
So yeah, we'll come back tomorrow to get the door off. Have a little think about what we're going to do with that right-hand side to assess that damage. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the morning.
See you tomorrow.
Right, we're back. Next day, got the right bit. So let's finally get this door done, shall we?
Coming off.
It's coming off. And hopefully going back on.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm not worried about that. I just want it off.
Well, I am. So all we're doing here is taking the 2 bolts out the hinges, taking that door strap off, disconnecting the wiring harness, and the door is out. And then we basically just do the reverse order to get the new door in. So 2 bolts, strap, wiring harness, and the door is in. Okay, so the door is in. There is a slight bit of adjustment we need to do by the looks of things. There's a bit of a gap at the bigger gap at the bottom than there is the top, so we need to bring it in that way slightly. Yeah, you've got it shut. It does close. Hey, we did a thing, I think, maybe. Let's have a look at this side. It's vaguely the same,
Vaguely
isn't it?
similar.
What about, hang on, let's have a look at this bottom line here. Yeah, see this, the gap's the same the whole way down. Where, hey Oti, how you doing, mate? This side, the gap, it's only slightly out.
That's actually maybe fine.
It just needs to go slightly,
It needs to go
slightly that way. You loosen the bolts and you push the door in on the bottom and out slightly on the top. Let's do it.
That's perfect.
Look at it.
That's literally perfect.
All right, we made one adjustment, and now look at it. Shadow. She is good line. How's that?
Oops, look.
Corner doing now?
You're
Yeah.
going
How
nice
about on
now.
that top? Oh, that's fine too.
Not proud. It's perfect. One adjustment.
We did a thing! We did a thing!
Woohoo! We've added value.
Well, guys, we actually managed to do a thing. We
Yes.
actually put a door on,
We did.
and it's looking very good. So yeah,
Door
please.
has some problem. this here is slightly upsetting.
Shh. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, the door's got a couple of nicks on it, which we did see, but you know, hey, it's a damn sight better than it was.
Yeah.
So yeah, please like and subscribe, because we really need those subscribes to
look,
get this. Hey,
it is
we got
now
glass.
waterproof.
Let's get the door card on and see if that window works.
Yes.
Let's do that.
Let's do it.
Right, let's see. Does this window open? Yeah, window works. Yep, happy about that. That's good. I was worried that like the little window motor would be broken. Okay, that's good. Happy days. Right, so door's in. What we need to do there though is get the door card back on. We're not going to do that today, but let's swap that front wheel out just so it's at least round, so then we can assess what damage it is. Give it a quick drive just to see how we're doing. Okay guys, first drive. Let's do this. Let's hope that it makes it out the field, shall we? What is that squeaking sound?
Oh, no, I'm worried. Alright, trying not to kill the jogger.
Right, let's go. First drive, guys. Let's see. Oh, she drives all right. See. Well, the wheels haven't fallen off yet. It actually handles all right. Tracking seems to be all right. Yeah, I think.
The tracking's fine, which is remarkable.
Right, I'm going straight.
Maybe it's a tiny bit to the
Seatbelt.
left, but not
Great.
bad.
Right, let's look at that the other way now on that road. That's not too bad.
That is a great result. I'd say.
So okay, so we don't seem to have any damage. Let's stick this one. There's a dogger. It's all right. Yeah, like it.
Gears are nice. Gearbox seems to work.
Gearbox is good.
Smooth, no clunking.
It,
Brakes.
brakes work.
Do a little brake test. Slow one. Bit spongy, maybe.
No, I was
Bit
being
rust,
delicate.
Bit of rust.
Being delicate, yeah, but
Needs to just get rid of the
should be
rust.
alright.
Woohoo, bit of a thumb testing it.
No, it's not too bad.
So,
Oh, no,
Is that
that's
OT?
OT. Well, that's a success. All right. Well, thanks very much, Alex.
Very
Done
welcome.
Quite a lot. Been a bit of the roller coaster
It
weekend,
has,
really, isn't it?
been some ups and downs.
Yeah, a little bit. Yesterday evening, all disaster.
Terrible.
Didn't have the right parts.
No.
Didn't have the right tools.
Thought the wheels
all
destroyed.
the wheels were all wobbly and wonky, and Yeah, it wasn't looking good. I was a little bit worried, really. So we did think we had a bit of hidden damage.
We did.
But putting the steel wheel
back on.
It
seems to have magically disappeared. All is well. New day. And
yeah, sun's
everything
out.
is good.
All's good. So could be a buckled alloy.
Could be a buckled alloy. We could have just put it on wrong.
We could have done.
It doesn't sit as far in as the steel ones do. So it could just be that we've just
not got it on
got
properly.
it slightly skew.
So we're going to have to re-look at that again another day. But we did get the door on.
Door is on.
Which is absolutely brilliant.
Car's weatherproof.
Yeah, the amount of rain we've had. So now we won't get any rain in the car, which is great. Window all works.
And look.
And it shuts lovely.
Sounds just like a Golf.
Sounds just like a Golf. Yeah, so really happy with the door.
Happy days.
So that's really good. So thank you very much for the help today.
Thanks for having me.
Hope you enjoyed yourself.
I have.
It's good.
Very satisfying. I'll be back for the next one.
Do the next car, yeah? We're going to do another one.
Which will be much harder.
We're going to do another one.
We'll get a wrecked one. I think we should. What do you reckon?
I don't know.
Should we do another one?
Please, like and subscribe. And yeah, maybe we'll do another one.
Maybe we will.
I don't know. But yeah, for today, that's it. Thank you very much, Alex.
Thank you. See you next time.
See you guys in the next one. Cheers.
You said, how did I make it big? Put your mind over matter, tell them work it and never quit.
No, I missed!
How is the chain that thick? Put your mind over matter, tell them work and move forward, think. Put your mind over matter, put your mind over matter.